How's it going, crew? We're on our way to the Auto One 4-wheel drive Expo. Hopefully we'll see a lot of cool cars there tonight, eh? Alright guys, we're here. There's a lot of people here. I didn't expect there to be this many people, but there's shit tons. So we'll go have a look at some of the cars. We're here at Auto One. As you can see, this place is absolutely packed. They've got some good deals on, so everyone's still in here. Yeah, catch some bit of food to eat and all the other stuff. Connor's with us as always.
Mad food.
So yeah, still a bit awkward walking out there while there's like shitloads of people around. So I might just talk to the GoPro.
Want to mention that you just got caught out by Auto One?
Yeah, it's got called out. Yeah, trying to hear. Anyway, so I'm not going to do too much talking while we're out there because the music's pumping and I'll have to probably mute it. So yeah. So when we get our workshop, our beautiful workshop, I'm thinking this one. This is what we'll get in our workshop. Sick.
Buy mine off me.
This is my mate Alex's patrol. I'll video you flexing it, man. So this is Alex's second car. My boy, he's got 2 cars because that's how he rolls. We'll see what this one does. Apparently this one flexes harder than the chopped dual cab, so see how it goes. So Alex has the best of both worlds. He's got a nice camping car and he's got his bush basher. 4.2 in here. We might even get to race this guy, Savo. Alright, well that was the auto one show and shine. Sorry I didn't get too much photos and all that. Now I've got to try and get home without getting pulled over. Alright, we're back home in the garage. Just want to do a few quick things. So the reason why I took the Patrol and got it all sorted for this Expo is because I'm actually getting rid of it. Now that might be a bit upsetting for some of you guys because I was just getting into doing it. But end of the day, I have this car now. This is my fun car, my weekend car. I don't have the time or the spare money to fix up that Patrol. I know what I just showed on the channel was just the wheel bearings for stuff, but it needs full brakes all round. It has a few other underlying issues I don't really want to get into until it's gone. But yeah, we are getting rid of it. We're gonna trade it in on a family car because end of the day, me and my wife want to have a family, want to start a family and do all that. I know this is a family car, but I don't really want baby seats in the back of my car. I don't think none of you guys would either. So we're gonna trade in the Patrol, trade in my missus' current car and get her something good, something safe, because it's just a smart thing to do. That won't mean less content on the channel because we still have this to do and the other 2 boys have their 4-wheel drives and their stock. So the best part about that is we're going to be able to film doing modifications to their cars where the Patrol's already finished, and I really feel like there's nothing else left to record on that except repairing it, and the repair costs are going to be through the roof. I priced it up roughly and it was going to end up being a lot more than what it would be worth me just getting rid of it. So sorry if that's disappointed you guys a little bit. I'm going to try and pump up the content on this because we're not going to be spending any money on the Patrol because it won't be here anymore. So we're going to get some stuff done on this. Hopefully the other boys will get some stuff done too. Eventually, I am planning on getting another 4-wheel drive. I want to obviously get a tow car, but I also want to get a bush basher like what Alex has. I'm thinking like a Sierra or something. I did have a Sierra. I already showed photos of that, I think, in another episode. So hopefully I might get another one of those one day, just as a bush basher, but please don't hold me to it. So sorry to disappoint you for that. I had a great night tonight. It was fantastic to take the Patrol out again. But yeah, after driving the Falcon around for a lot and jumping back into that, it's a big difference, and it just, yeah. I am gonna miss it because that car does mean a lot to me, but you know, sometimes you gotta just grow up and make it happen for other people. You know, put your family first as always. But yeah, thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope it was interesting for you. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time.